Sir?
What do you want?
Why do we need school? What level of idiot are you exactly?
Hear me out, sir. Okay. Where else are you gonna learn English and grammar?
What does it matter? Everything's shortened anyway. BRB, LOL, IDK, IKR, GG, ASAP.
All right. What about geography?
That's why we have these things.
History?
They're all dead. Ever heard of let the past be the past?
Learning how to write? Texting.
Learning other languages like Spanish? 3 words. Dora the Explorer.
Music class?
Spotify. YouTube. Take your pick. Drama class?
Are you serious?
You haven't heard of this thing called TikTok?
Should we stop this? No. Let him cook.
You gotta be kidding me. What about science?
This is the only science I need to know.
Sports, VR, and the good old Wii. How about math?